when a legend decides to reinvent itself. It listens, innovates, and elevates to a newer high. With muscular stance and refined stature, it gives us all the space and a sense of safeness. Power-packed acceleration and higher fuel efficiency. With its self-charging hybrid electric technology, a wiser choice for a greener tomorrow, and makes our journey relaxed as we reach for the stars. That's how I and the lives around me experience a new high. Introducing my new high, the new Innova HyCross.